Question 15. The diagram shows triangle OAB and points C and D. And here we have the diagram here, not to scale. So O to A is equal to 3A and O to B is equal to 3B. C lies on AB such that AC is equal to 2CB. D is such that B to D is equal to 2A plus B. Show using vectors that OCD is a straight line. Now, I've noticed a lot of students do struggle with this type of question. It is a vectors question, but it is very doable, and I will show you how to do so in this video. Firstly, in order to do this question, we need to find what O to C is, okay? So we need to find a way of getting from O to C in this vectors question, okay? Now, if you have done your vectors revision, you should know that you can't just magically jump from O to C. It's not possible. You have to take the paths that they've given you that's available in the question. So you're wondering, how do we do that? It's fairly straightforward. To get from O to C, there's two ways. You can go O to B and then B to C, right? Or you can go from O to A and then A to C. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you go for, but personally, I'm going to go for O to A and then A to C, okay? So O to A is the one of the paths I have to travel down, and then I have to add A to C, okay? Now, we're given O to A. O to A is just 3A, but we don't know what A to C is, so we need to find that. And the way to find A to C is to find what A to B is. Now, to get from A to B using the paths we know, we have to go from A to O, and then from O to B. This means that A to B is equal to A to O plus O to B. Okay? So A to O, we're going back in the opposite direction of this path, O to A. So it'll be negative 3A this time because we're going backwards. And then we're going forward on O to B plus 3B. Okay? So that is the vector, well, that's how you get from A to B, basically, right, in vectors. So now that we have that, we need to find A to C. And we're told some important information in the question. We're told that AB lies, or C lies on AB such that AC is equal to 2CB. So what does that mean? That basically means that AC is 2 times bigger than CB. So if we have ratios here, we have this being twice as big as CB. So knowing that information, if we add these two ratios together, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the fraction of this line can be shown as 2 over 3 for AC. So A to C is equal to 2 over 3 our A to B that we just found, which is very important, okay? So if I go below A to B, we can find AC by using that. So AC is equal to 2/3 of the line AB, which is minus A plus 3B when you put that in. Now, because we have 2 over 3, we have the 3 at the bottom. This allows us to divide everything by 3 inside the brackets. So we're now left with 2 minus A plus B. When we expand the brackets, we have minus 2A plus 2B. Okay? Now that we know that A to C is minus 2A plus 2B, we can rub this out and replace it with minus 2A plus 2B. So if we simplify this for O to C, we now have A plus 2B for O to C. So that line O to C, that imaginary line, or to get from O to C, is A plus 2B. So we're nearly there. We need to find how to get from O to D, because that's the big line that we're talking about for this straight line, OCD. So OC is like inside the longer line O to D. And to get from O to D, you would travel along O to B and then B to D, which we're told in the question. Okay? So O to D will be O to B plus B to D. Okay? So if I write that below, O to B is 3B. And then we add B to D, which is 2A plus B. So if we simplify that, we have now 2A plus 4B. So O to D is equal to 2A plus 4B. If we factorize that, we can take a 2 out. So we have now A plus 2B. So if O to D, in brackets. So if O to D is this, and we found out that O to C, which is within that longer line, is A plus 2B, OCD then, therefore OCD is a straight line, because O to C is a factor of O to D. If you times O to C by 2, you get O to D, meaning that they are in a straight line. Okay?